Hello, everyone. I'm Vivien Lin, the Chief Product Officer at BingX and the head of BingX Labs. This is my second time to be in this fantastic city, and last time was in March. At that time, I still spent some time to introduce who is BingX, what we are providing. But today, I think we can move on into a more in-depth topic about AI. AI bring dignity and agency, not just technology. Well, that's a huge topic. Well, just start with who is BingX? Just one word is we funded in 2018, and after like so many years development and partnership with different projects and technology providers, we now serve 20 million users worldwide. And in terms of derivative trading volume, we rank top 5 globally on derivative exchange space. Those milestones like this remind us not only how fast this space is evolving, but also how important it is to keep innovating. So what is the next in the crypto industry or digital asset industry? As far as we can see from the technology advancements recently, we believe that AI will stay at the core for next chapter in digital asset, no matter it's utility, development, or just simple as trading. Since the first version of ChatGPT launch, we actually already start to look for solutions for those long-lasting challenges existing there in this industry for a very long time. For example, how to gather information, how to help user to understand what the functionality of a tool or what is the background information, and research the fundamentals of a project. Those are the barriers that most users in this industry are facing every day, and we believe AI probably the thing that can help to solve that problem. So we invest actually a lot of money and resource and of course our engineer into that space. Now we deployed our own AI agent, AI server to handle all those data from public market and internally. So what our goal is to provide a true financial dignity. That is terminology quite philosophic. So it describes the willingness and the demand for fair access to the market and fair access to information, that people have the full understanding of what they are doing and have the ability to make informed decision based on the information they have. But looking at the crypto industry, like many users feel overwhelmed by those jargons, the noise, the fragmented informations. Because like for so many times, like myself as well, I have to go to Twitter to find what KOL is talking about, and go to Discord and Telegram to find what community cares about, and also looking for those project timelines from like different very fragmented resources, and also maybe come to the forum, come to the offline gatherings to figure out what exactly the project is doing. For those informations that you have to know where is the access to get, not alone that how to process them correctly. So this information gap really scare away people who have maybe relatively limited technology access, technology knowledge, and project access. And this results in lower in their confidence to make an informed decision, and all those complexity embedded in the nature of the industry really creates exclusion, not empowerment. So after we observe the what AI can do, right? AI can handle a large data set. We believe AI is a key to break those barriers. AI can turn raw data into real-time actionable insight. You don't need to go to different websites to interact with like a real person, or to like talk to in your group to get those informations. AI can gather all those informations for you and give you a rough summary about what you should care about in the market. And it can reduce the noise, simplify complexity. As I just described, the technology work is quite complicated, especially for newcomers or who have a weak background in technology. And AI can enhance decision making with machine precision. Like some of the user or some of the trader, they are more risk averse. Some of them are more risk taking. But without someone that very neutral and very rational, sometimes we as a trader, when we make decision, we unavoidably to influence by our feeling about the market that day. Sometimes we say it's a very emotional trader, but if we're looking back, those emotional sometimes help, sometimes doesn't help. So with AI, it become a very reliable and very kind of like neutral and reasonable helper assistant beside you to give you the machine precision to help you to make a decision. And of course, the AI can observe the behaviors. It can be just like someone really observe your style, your investment preference based on the historical data, historical transactions, your trading log. And importantly, turn a user from a passive user to active trader and eventually turn them into an intentional trader. The difference between passive user and active participant is that like for example, we see a lot in the market that someone is trading, so you say, okay, I'm so formal, so I have to follow the trend. That is pretty much passive because you react only when the thing happen. And active participant is like, hey, I feel the market is maybe going up, so I observe a positive news coming up, so I reactive upon the news I receiving. But intentional trader is that I plan everything like beforehand. I know when this kind of information pop up, I should buy, or that kind of information pop up, I should sell. So you become more a planner of your own investment. And these things can be done with the help of AI. And come to the pain points in adopting AI at this moment. Like from my own experience, it's pretty much related to lack of real-time contextual AI support, and current tool are quite fragmented. Since we're doing investment in AI space and Web3 related space, we actually see, like myself, I probably see over 20, over 30 AI assistant or AI agent to help us to process and filtering and summarize information from different angle using different model. But the problem is, for example, ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to summarize overnight market news from mostly the macroeconomy and equity market and fixed income market. But comes to crypto, especially the meme token, I have to change it to the AI assistant that Twitter X provides, right? Because they have their own local deployed AI model and their own private information. I feel that is probably a better tool to use. This is a case that, the fragmented static use because the exclusion of the data. So I always hoping that maybe what if there is a tool that can combine and consolidate the advantage, the strengths of different AI models into one platform, one model, then my life will be so much easier. And of course, trust erodes when AI isn't seamless. Sometimes when you're using different AI model, it gives you contradictory logic and contradictory results. At that moment, actually, like for experienced trader, they probably have a better master of how they want to process those information. But for newcomers or relatively inexperienced traders, they will feel very confused, and all those will scale them away from like making timely decision. Yeah, and that is the gap we want to tackle. That is the problem we want to address. Is so we hope that we can provide a tool that consolidates all those strengths among different models into one very powerful one. So um, now we're trying to devise a suite of intelligence tools and assistants and agents to redefine the future of crypto trading. I think BingX probably the first crypto exchange in our industry, as far as I know, to have such a huge commitment and investment in AI related space and in developing the interface for user to use. We use multimodal AI engine and use multidimensional data from the public and from our own private data. We're trying to revolutionize the crypto trading experience to make it faster, more intelligent, and always there when you need it. Yeah, our roadmap. We want to build the future step by step. Now, BingX AI is live across BingX product offerings. We have 2 million early adopters globally, and we now use our AI assistant to respond over 20 million inquiries. The average response time is less than 8 seconds. That is quite impressive given the volume we have and given the aspect, the scope we are tackling. And we are recruiting the top talent from different AI institutions and behavioral finance, as well as the Web3 and engineers to build this mission together with us. And on back of all those commitment and those efforts is the hard working from BingX Labs. BingX Lab now have a multi-year 300 million commitment for investing in the advanced AI technology and the applications to combine AI and crypto and also blockchain technology. Those are the areas that we are mainly focusing on this moment. And we will very soon launch our BingX AI Institute. That is the hub we built to hub the good projects, the top talent, and all those very innovative ideas emerging. I don't know what they are, but they are emerging every day. Different use case, different technology, the tech solutions at the backbone of our offerings. And AI, of course, now is at the core of everything running on BingX, from internal efficiency enhancement to external product user interface and user experience. And of course, in our risk management system and our the way how we manage our customer, how we manage our partnership and external business partnerships. We committed to the industry collaboration to build the ecosystem together with the DGens, the engineers, and also the researchers. Looking ahead, the future of AI and crypto, and of course, they will be more intelligent, more real time, and user first innovation. Because we will apply AI to every step of our business, from market analysis to users or traders behavior analysis, and we will provide a map and a picture of what the user looks like from an AI perspective, what kind of trading style and what kind of risk preference they are, to provide a image for them to study their self. So an interesting thing is that maybe in the future, your AI assistant will know you better than yourself. This is also take the root for all those products, our user-first innovation here. And we were transforming how people trade and interact with the market with all those tools and those analysis we are providing in the future. Yeah, I think we have a lot to expecting in the future from AI and blockchain? I still remember a very interesting topic about 2 years ago. At that time, we also talk about AI and blockchain. There's one very good friend mentioned to me that AI and blockchain, they are forced marriage because blockchain is handled with how people achieve consensus, and it always takes time, right? And AI consume a large data set, and what they have to do is to consume data, consume time. So blockchain and AI, they are forced marriage. But coming to today, when we revisit this topic, I feel there's a quite interesting and very promising application out there. One is in the context of what I just said, the trading context. Another is, for example, PayFi, and also the borderless applications, and all those things can be. I really see there is a real application, real use case arising from those areas. So I'm pretty much looking forward to working. To apply AI technology to the crypto industry and the blockchain technology we are developing. Okay, I will stop here. Thank you very much.